How to log out of Twitter on phone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to log out of Twitter on phone. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Twitter app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Twitter app. Once you have done that, simply open Twitter, and then there are actually two ways in logging out of your Twitter. So the first one is the simple one. What you're going to do is to simply press and hold onto this home button right here. So press and hold on it, and then you may be able to see this option right here, or your name. What you're going to do now is to simply swipe left like this one, and then click on log out. You may also click on edit right here, and then click on this delete button right here, and then click on log out once you are done. So that's it. So again, just a recap, what you are going to do is to make sure first that you have updated your Twitter app, and then open Twitter, press and hold onto that home button, and then choose your account, swipe left, and then log out. So that's it. That's how you can log out of Twitter on phone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.